probably in like what, 5 minutes?
Yeah, not even.
Less, right?
Yeah.
Hey, I will let you know if it's gonna go big.
Yeah.
It will be Timos, right? Will be Timos. You don't know. Kidding. Just curious how long will it take really for getting him in like number one or lower. Now I go to top.
Yep.
Bingo.
And there it goes.
Bye. And there we go.
There it goes. Oh yeah, it grows back fast. It'll be back.
Oh, like in 2 weeks.
Yeah, it'll grow back pretty fast. I have very thick hair too.
You do. You're so lucky. Good genes passed by you, huh?
Yep.
From daddy.
Oh no, I got the hair from my mom.
From your mom?
Yeah, my dad's bald.
Your daddy bald?
Yeah, my mom's Mexican.
Oh, dark hair. Nice dark hair though.
Yeah. Yeah, that was way less than 5 minutes.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow, that's a quick one, huh?
Yep. Told you it was gonna be quick, nothing fancy.
Okay, you want to take a look? In the back?
I cut ready egg, but it's long. Your hair is long.
Yeah, when the warm weather like this, the hair
Yep.
goes. It's cuticle just open.
Oh yeah. The water's gonna feel good on my head.
Go quicker.
So normally you will bend down, right?
Mix to it and mix it in.
Yeah. It's okay.
Okay, okay.
No, there you go.
Thank you.
That was pretty